Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. So, my name is Sewandi. I'm a student in University of Makassar, and now I am already third semester in this university. For this session, I will introduce about my video project about advanced English grammar. So, guys, in advanced English grammar, have a multiple clause such as noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clause. Okay. Before we go to the material, what is multiple clause, noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clause? Before that, I want to show you my main mapping. Basic from example given from my lecture. Okay, guys. That's my main mapping about multiple clause, noun clause, and adjective clause. And now we move to the method. So the first is I want to tell you about what is multiple clause. So guys, the clause group is a word that contains a subject and a verb. Clause can function a complex sentence on their own, or they can be parts of more complex sentence. When two or more clauses are combined in a single sentence, we refer to it as a sentence multiple clause. Okay, that's all of multiple clause. So we move maybe to the next material. That is a noun clause. So a noun clause is a dependent clause that can replace a noun in a sentence, such as subject, object, or subject complement. I want to show you the example of noun clause. This is the first example, and this is the second example, and the third example, this one. So a noun clause that function as a noun, because the noun clause is a noun, it is used in a sentence and either object or verb. That's all of the presentation about the noun clause. The next is I will show you about adjective clause. So guys, adjective clause are also known as relative clause. It's a group of words that contain a subject and a verb, and it provides more information about the noun sentence. Example. This is the first example, and this is the second example. That's all the example of the adjective clause. So guys, an adjective clause is that describe a noun because the clause is the adjective. It is positioned directly after the noun. It is describes. That's all of the adjective clause. The next is about adverbial clause. Do you know, guys, what is adverbial clause? So, the adverbial clause is a type of dependent clause that functions as an adverb. Define verb, adjective, or other adverbs in the main clauses in a sentence. It provides additional information about when, why, who, how, where, and or under what conditions something happens, and this clause cannot stand alone because it doesn't increase a complete thought. Example is this is the first example, and this is the second example. In a verbal clause, typically begins with a subordinating conjunction followed by subject and verb. Subordinating conjunctions are key to identify an introduction of verbal clause. It's like time, place, cause and reason, purpose, condition, contrast and position, manner, and also comparison. So, after reading all the clauses above, there are several significant or striking difference clause of diverse noun. As a subject, object, subject complement, and adjective clause describe nouns, while the adverbial clause defines verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Okay, and finally, we are the end of the discussion. I hope you guys can understand what I say, and I'm really open why the suggestion given in the comments column. And before I close this session, I'm very completing it well, and also I'm very grateful of myself because I already done this project, and also for my friends that and lecturer who have helped me provide guidance and direction in making this project. So thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.